Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about the Digital Digestive System assignment. What it is a digital choice board. So you will have 6 activities to choose from. On the next slide, choose one of those activities for your digestive system summative assessment. When you're finished, you're going to find your name on the slide below and then add your assignment. Here are all of your choices. You can create a cartoon, a comic, write a story, record a video, draw something, or simply write about it. When you are finished, you're going to find your name in the slides below, so I'm going to minimize this. And as you can see, as I scroll down, all the names from the class are down below. Once you have found your name, you can add it. If you made a comic or a cartoon, make sure that you save it to your desktop. So for me, if I made a comic here, I'm going to click Print Email and save the image to disk. What that means is it's just being downloaded to my computer. I go back here, I then click Insert, Image, and I upload that from my computer. I click on the file and then open it. If one of you decided to write a story on the digestive system and it's in Google Docs, simply open up your Google Doc, copy, and then paste the link into your box down below. This way I have every student's assignment listed throughout one big folder, and then I will grade you based on that. All right, if you have any questions, talk to me. Thank you.